G'day, welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the camshaft lock nut available from Minisport to suit your A-Series engine. Now, this will go on the camshaft sprocket and holds the camshaft sprocket to the camshaft via a lock tab. We have spoken about lock tabs before, and depending where you're using it in the vehicle, you do need to replace it every time in which you remove it. Now, this will do anywhere from an 803cc engine all the way up to a 1275 engine. I generally don't replace these every time I take it off, but if it hasn't been off for a very long time, I'm doing a fresh engine rebuild, these are cheap and affordable for you to replace whilst you're there. It is a particular nut size, so you do have to make sure you use the right one, because if you don't, it's going to snag and foul on the timing case. Now, if you're unsure whether you need to replace it, the easiest thing to do is whip the timing case off and have a look. But in doing so, you're going to have to pull apart half the engine to be able to get to it. But it is a worthwhile component replacing, knowing that all of the components there are replaced and are in good working order. Now, if you're unsure whether you need this component, make sure you hit them up at www.minisport.com.au. Check out the phone number listed above. There is a couple of videos I've done on my channel on how to set up a camshaft timing for optimum performance and fuel economy, so make sure you check that out. If you're unsure, make sure you talk to the guys at Minisport, because they'll tell you whether you need to replace it or not. If you're unsure, the best thing to do, throw it over your shoulder and just go buy another one.